Ela não é um verde zoado, é um verde bonito.
It is very short-lived, but it's pretty cool. I never noticed the other two. That's amazing.
This is a place called Running Sushi in the mall in Prague, Czechia. And they have a place called NordSee where you can get 𝗍𝗶𝗶𝗍𝗀𝗃, 𝗍𝗶𝗶𝗍𝗃, 𝗍𝗶𝗃𝗃, 𝗍𝗶𝗃𝗃, 𝗍𝗶𝗃𝗃. Oh, doesn't that look good? That's a salad. I don't know, that doesn't look too bad. Oh, I don't even want to look at the Bismarck. Oh. And the bubble tea, that's very popular. It's a Japanese thing. It's like milk with blueberries in it or something. A Nespresso bar. I didn't know that was a coffee thing. What else do we have? Emir Bistrot. We have a coffee place in the middle there.
That's pretty cheap.
All you can eat running sushi. Wok and bento. Mongolian barbecue. That looks good. And we have the Santa Fe, which has Las Vegas, San Diego, Pasadena, chili con carne, prawn, Bora Bora, Sacramento. We have Pizza Hut and the McCafe, of course. The Golden Gate, California. Wow, it's America. We have a Pizza Hut. It's not a McDonald's. And a McCafe. That's always very popular. And McDonald's, of course. And let's see, Kentucky Fried Chicken, Burger King, Hugo's Salaterie. It's like fruit drinks. They had two gelaterias. Ooh, that looks good. Kentucky Fried Chicken. I might do that. All right, it says they take Visa, so let's give it a try.